Hello my dear friends, welcome to Prep Ladder. Today we are discussing normalization topic. First of all, what is normalization? Normalization is a technique where we are dividing a bigger table into smaller tables. Okay, normalization is a technique where we are dividing a bigger table into smaller tables. I am telling we are dividing or decomposing. What I am telling? We are dividing or decomposing. What we are dividing? A table. A table we are dividing. Okay. So here is the what is the work we are doing? We are dividing. In this definition we are dividing. So why we have to divide or why we have to decompose? First we will see why we have to divide or why we have to decompose, we will see. Okay. So in our database we are dividing, for first point, dividing to reduce redundancy, and secondly we are dividing, this is the first one, then second we are dividing to eliminate anomalies. What are the anomalies we are having? As we have seen, one is insertion, second one is deletion, and third one is updation. Okay, follow me. These are the two things we are eliminating by decomposing the table into smaller tables. Okay, as I am telling, normalization is a technique. So are we having only one technique? Are we having multiple technique? We will see. Okay, your doubt is correct. We are not having one technique. We are having multiple technique. Okay, we will see what are that multiple technique. One is first normal form. Second one is second normal form. Third one is third normal form. Fourth one is BCNF. And next one is fourth normal form and fifth normal form, like that we are having. But in our GATE syllabus, we are having only first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, BCNF. Okay, you may get doubt. Why these many normal form? One normal form is enough? Like that you might have think that. So let me explain one thing. Our main aim is why we are doing normalization, why we are doing dividing and decomposing a table into smaller table, to reduce redundancy, to eliminate anomalies we are doing. What are the anomalies? Insertion, deletion, updation. We have to eliminate completely. Otherwise, what are the consequences we will face? We have been seen in the previous lectures. So now I am telling, for suppose I am doing the first normal form. Then researchers found that first normal form is not enough. So they came up with what? Second normal form. Okay. After doing second normal form, they have checked, are we reducing the redundancy, or are we eliminating completely these anomalies? They checked. Till we are not completely eliminating the anomalies. That's why they went to third normal form. And next, in the third normal form also, they cross checked. What are we eliminating? Entire anomalies. We are not eliminating. So that's why they went to BCNF. In the BCNF, if they checked each and every way and they did research in all the tables, they found that BCNF is eliminating all the anomalies and reducing the redundancy. Okay. That is the reason why in the GATE they introduced only these four normal forms. So first point what you have to understand? BCNF eliminate all anomalies. First point, this you have to understand. And second point, what you have to understand is, you have to observe one thing here. This is the smaller normal form. Second normal form is a bigger normal form. Third normal form is a bigger form. Next bigger normal form is a BCNF. BCNF, every bigger normal form is also a smaller normal form. That means every BCNF is a third normal form. Every third normal form is a second normal form. And every second normal form is a first normal form. This is what we have to understand. What is the one line you are understanding here? BCNF is eliminating all the anomalies. That is the first point. And second point is what? Every bigger normal form is properly subset to smaller normal form. Second one, every bigger normal form subset to smaller normal form. This you have to understand. Every bigger normal form is a smaller normal form. Okay, my dear friends. Now we will see normal forms one by one. First we will see first normal form, second normal form, then third normal form, and then BCNF. Okay, let us go for next slide. Okay, first normal form. Here we are seeing first normal form. If you are observing, when from the ER diagram we are making the relation, yes or no? Relation is nothing but the table. From the ER diagram we are making the relation. When we are converting ER diagram to relation, we are eliminating all the multi-valued attribute and we are eliminating all the composite attribute. Yes or no? Yes, we were eliminating. We have seen when we are converting from the ER diagram to tables, we have seen that one. So what we were doing, every composite attribute we are splitting into smaller attributes and we are keeping the data. Every multi-valued attribute we are differentiating into two forms and we are keeping there. So that is the reason why every relation in RDMS is in first normal form. By default, every relation, every table in RDMS will be in the first normal form. What is the first normal form saying? Table without is the important word here. Table without multi-valued attribute and composite attribute is in the first normal form. Table without multi-valued and composite attribute in the first normal form. My dear friends, if we are recalling what we have discussed in the previous lectures, I told one thing. What? Multi-valued attribute. Multi-valued attribute is nothing but what? Phone number we have taken. Phone number columns, if we are assuming like that, for suppose any person X you take, employee X you take, employee is having what? Some personal number, yes or no? Some personal phone number. So I am assuming that this is 124 his personal phone number. He also having what? 342 is a office number. So employee is having two, yes or no? His personal phone number he is having and office phone number also is having. When we are filling this employee column, phone number column, what we have to fill? We have to fill his personal number as well as his office number. So when we are filling, what will happen? We will see. And one more difference we have been discussing. Composite attribute. For that one we have taken what? Address we have taken. For that one we have taken what? Address we have taken. My dear students, are you following me? This is what already we have discussed in the previous lectures. Okay. Address is nothing but we are having what? Flat number as well as city, for suppose state, and pin we were having address. Okay. pin number we are having in the address. In this address, how many fields we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4. If we want to fill any address, we have to fill all this one. Yes or no? This is the address field, please. This is the address, please. If we want to fill address column, we have to fill all this one. So what here it is having? Address is having phone number, city, state and pin number it is having. My dear friends, you tell me, if I am telling only flat number, if I am telling only, it is not phone number, please, it is a flat number. For suppose if we are telling only flat number, can it be defining the address? No. If we are telling only city, is it defining the address? No. The entire combination of 1, 2, 3, 4 is fulfilling the definition of address. Yes or no? Fulfilling the definition of address. Here we see, if we are observing here, that's why we are calling it as a composite attribute. Composite attribute is nothing but combination of one or more meaningful sentences. We are making the composite attribute. But here you see, this one field, entire fulfilling the phone number. This is entire fulfilling the phone number definition, because it is a personal number, because it is a office number. So that is the reason why it is multi-valued. The value of phone number is 1 here and value of phone number is second here. That is the reason why multiple values exist in this one place. Here you are seeing